Today we have a brand new update from OpenClaw. You can see this just came out a few hours ago. One of the biggest improvements right here is that now you can use Opus 4.6 and GPT 5.3 codecs directly inside OpenClaw. Not only that, but you can also use Groq. You've got Baidu as well as a provider. It's got a token usage dashboard, Voyage, AI for memory, skill code, safety scanner, and more cron fixes for scheduled tasks. So we're going to have a look at this to start installing it today. You can see the changelog right here. So new models added, improved web UI, improved memory, improved sessions, CLI and agent setup as well. And you see some of the fixes here as well. So for example, for more security improvements, you got Slack improvements, improvements on the Chrome extension, etc. And we're going to get straight into installing this. So if you want to get this set up, what I'm going to do first of all is just uninstall the old version. You can just upgrade, but I usually find it's easier to uninstall and then get set up from there. So I'm going to take the uninstall instructions from the 3-hour course inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Let's copy and paste these. And then we are good to go on that. There we go. And then we can go back onto the GitHub here for OpenClaw and we can start getting this set up. So we're going to copy the clone instructions for GitHub right here, copy and paste those in, and then we shall get this set up as well. And voila, you got OpenClaw in the new setup set up in like 2 minutes. So from here, you're going to hit yes, quick start, and then you can choose whichever API setup you want. So for me personally, I like to use ChatGPT codecs. We could use Opus 4.6 inside there as well, inside Anthropic. It's just that if you're using the API, it can get a bit expensive. And so from here, we're going to go to OpenAI, codecs are off, ChatGPT are off, like so. Continue with Google, and I'll log in with my account. Now we're set up on that, and if we go back to the terminal, we've got this set up, and you can pick whichever API you want to use. And now we've set up OpenClaw in the new update directly inside here. We'll just say, hey, are you working? Make sure it's actually working, and boom, we're good to go on that. All right, so it's responsive now and it's ready to go. Now, one of the craziest things that I've seen with OpenClaw recently is that someone, John Matzner, hooked up OpenClaw to all of his internet connected cameras at his house, and he received this text. So it said, "Good morning, John. Reviewing the videos from yesterday, saw you are apparently on keto, but you eat a bag of peanut and M&Ms. I don't know if this is a joke or something, but this is pretty insane what you can do. The fact that you can hook this up to stuff inside your house and that sort of thing is crazy. You can also use KimBK 2.5. That's another thing to note here is like you can use free APIs with OpenClaw directly too. And then if we go inside OpenClaw control here, you can see that we can set up scheduled tasks. We have sessions, well, the instances, etc. If you have a look at sessions here, you can actually see the tokens used so far. So how many tokens used versus how many you've got left, which is great. You've got instances, so you can see where it's being hosted and connected instances. You can set up all of your channels here if you want to as well. So you can, for example, like relink your WhatsApp or your Telegram and that sort of thing. And then you can install skills and nodes over this side right here. Also on the setup now, it seems to be slightly different. So it says, let's do the quick who we are setup. What should I call you? What do you want to call me? What vibe should I have? And then also any hard boundaries, right? So for example, you can set hard limits, like for example, never message people unless I explicitly say so, or don't touch files outside the workspace, etc. And once this is set up, this can actually run stuff locally and that sort of thing. So, you know, if we like, okay, open up my browser and search for AI news, and then we just open up the Chrome extension. There we go, right? It can operate your browser directly. And then you can see it says, right, browser is open, I've searched for you, blah, blah, blah. Right? So that is exactly how to set up the new update from OpenClaw. Like you can see, you can set it up in like 2 minutes, just a few copy and paste commands. If you want a full 6-hour course on exactly how to use OpenClaw step by step, you can get that inside the AI Profit Boardroom, my AI automation community, along with another 3-hour course here. All of the updates that I learn, all the things that are new with OpenClaw, I actually set up and show you inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Link in the comments description, or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. You can also post inside the community. There's 2,300 members in here, and you can see even right now there's 60 people online, right? So there's always people online to connect with. If you have any questions, you can post inside the community and get help and support whenever you need it, for example, like this. And you can also see, for example, the inside the win section, it's not just me winning, right? So many people are absolutely crushing it with AI. So for example, Russell, he actually landed a new client with his digital avatar, which is crazy. Chance built his first custom GPT. CJ built and installed NA10 locally. So if you want to get results with AI automation, this is one of the best places to do it. Inside the calendar here, you can jump on 4 weekly coaching calls. You can jump on coaching calls, get help and support live on a video call if you want to. And then also the classroom, you get access to all my best courses, right? So if you go inside this section, you can, for example, get access to our 5-week masterclass. It takes you from complete beginner to expert with AI automation in just 5 weeks. Plus, you'll learn how to build your first AI agent in under 5 minutes. You can get all the latest new guides and updates inside this section. We actually update it daily. So as soon as something comes out, we've got a new guide on it. That's why I do these live streams as well. In the playbooks, you can get access to all my favorite automations. So for example, X, Shorts, Instagram, AI avatar videos, it's all inside there. If you want to get more clients for your agency, you can check out the agency course. If you want to rank #1 with AI SEO, you can learn that here. In fact, you can see our results with SEO since we started using OpenClaw for AI SEO. It's pretty insane. And then also you can learn how to grow a YouTube channel based on our 6-week roadmap right here. So says yo, just in time I see. And if you're watching this and you have any questions, feel free to ask as we go along. But that's basically it for setting up the new OpenClaw update.